smarter decisions, better products, anywhere, anytime. Teamcenter Mobility 2 for the iPad, now available on the App Store. Welcome to this Teamcenter Mobility tutorial. Teamcenter Mobility has the same level of security as Teamcenter on your desktop. You start by entering your login and password information. Although the free version only works with our trial server, the paid version of Teamcenter Mobility allows you to enter your own Teamcenter server information. If you ever need additional assistance, you may use the support forum. The link is available from within the Mobility app. There is additional material available on the Teamcenter Mobility application like interface guide, setup guide, frequently asked questions, etc. Once registered, you can participate in discussions and share files with the rest of the forum. You can open files from other third-party apps that support the open-in functionality on the iPad. And you can open files from Teamcenter Mobility into other third-party apps using the same open-in functionality. For example, you can mark up PDF files, images, or Office documents using appropriate apps on iPad and then bring them back to Teamcenter Mobility to attach them to other objects. With Teamcenter Mobility, you're not restricted to viewing JT files only from within Teamcenter. With your browser, you can open a JT file from other sources like an email attachment, in Dropbox, or Box.net. Tapping a folder in the list pane expands it. You may have a lot of objects in a folder. To help you locate a specific object, you can use the Quick Find box. As you enter text, your display dynamically updates. Tapping an object in the list pane displays it in the data pane. Part names can be very long depending upon company standards. By tapping on the name once, Teamcenter Mobility displays the complete name. Site customization can be created to display attributes based on the user's role and login. Objects can be quickly submitted to a workflow. You can visually inspect the workflow diagram after selecting a template. View part structure by tapping on the blue arrow next to a part. Icons above the data display are context icons and provide additional information associated to the object you selected. You can continue to traverse the structure tree by tapping on the blue arrow icon to expand the tree further, or you can select an object as usual to view the details about it. Teamcenter Mobility supports the visualization of 3D JT models, which are an ISO-accepted neutral 3D format, and supports all major CAD systems. You can pan, zoom, and rotate the 3D model to better understand issues associated with the geometry. As you step through this tutorial, you'll see other example attachments, all managed by Teamcenter. Tapping the Impact Analysis button shows where a part is used or referenced. If you want quick access to an object, mark it as one of your favorites. Favorites are synchronized with your desktop Teamcenter installation. You can review where you've been by reviewing your history. Teamcenter Mobility provides an easy-to-use search tool to find what you're looking for. You can access your saved searches, or you could use a combination of object type with a text search dialog. If you selected the wrong type, make another selection and apply your search again. You may get more returns on your search than you anticipated. Teamcenter Mobility provides the ability to sort on the results using metadata. You can also filter results by object type and other metadata. If a list is filtered, a green light symbol appears over the filter button. Now that your results are sorted, there are fewer objects that you have to look through. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can drill into the details to make better informed decisions. Objects you're interested in may have revisions. The associated data available changes according to the revision you are working with. As mentioned earlier, Teamcenter manages many forms of data. Examples are, but are not limited to, various document formats, 2D drawings, pictures, videos, and of course 3D data. Horizontal and vertical movements with a single finger rotate the display. A pinching motion in and out zooms in and out respectively. Horizontal and vertical movements with 2 fingers pans the display. Making smarter decisions requires better communication. You can send an email, and Teamcenter Mobility includes a link to that object to help reduce miscommunication. You can open files in other installed apps for viewing or creating markup. You can import marked up files into Teamcenter Mobility and easily link the imported files to the original document. To attach a markup to an existing dataset, set the link type to Markup to Dataset and set the existing dataset as the parent. Then, navigate to the marked up dataset and set it as the child. Then tap the Create Link button. Other link types can be created in the same manner. Teamcenter Mobility helps professionals on the go make smarter decisions anywhere or anytime. Caching information provides faster access and keeps information available when you're offline. All Teamcenter Mobility functionality works the same with cache data like search, filter, and sign-off, etc. Note that the Teamcenter Mobility app uses encryption to protect all cached data and files stored within the app. All communications with the server are encrypted by the HTTPS connection. From the main menu, you can change your group and role. Teamcenter Mobility makes tracking the changes you are responsible for easy. A badge on the tab shows you how many changes are in a monitored folder. A badge on the home screen icon shows the total number of changes and tasks that need your attention. Interactive dashboards help filter your changes. Selecting a change object from the list pane provides you with more detail that is relevant to the change in a categorized format. This helps add context and reduces the amount of time spent searching for the data. As you move from one change object to another change object, the associated information changes too. This includes data available from the context icons. In addition to the changes you're tracking, there are tasks you may be responsible for completing. As with changes, a badge shows the number of tasks that are past due or due today, and the interactive dashboard makes it easy to quickly identify when tasks are due. The context icon above the data pane changes as new functionality specific to tasks is available. A new icon for workflow is available in Mobility 2.0. Workflow enables you to see exactly where in the process the task is. If comments were entered during sign-off, they would be available to read. There are a couple of options for signing off a task. You can sign off an individual task and leave your comments, or you can perform a batch sign-off. Select from your list of tasks to complete. In batch mode, you're still able to include comments. But if you're working offline, your sign-off will be synced once you're able to reconnect. Thank you for your interest in Teamcenter Mobility. If you have any other questions, please review the other sources of information on the support forum.